Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we finally got the flip property completed and we're currently on the market right now. So if you are interested in looking for a property here in Houston, Texas, please feel free to reach out to me. You can always schedule a call with me. In my bio, you can just go in there and schedule a call. But I'll let you guys watch the video and check out the property and let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, so here is the update on the property. Sorry for the background noise. Someone's cutting the yard behind me, but so you see we got the outside all pretty much done, painted, all taken care of. Should be almost completed with the inside. We changed out all of this trim here, these posts here. Obviously, we changed out the front door as well. And we painted all the brick white. I don't know if you guys remember, it was like a bluish color with black trim. So we just modernized it just a little bit. All of the siding and stuff here was repaired as well and painted. Let me show you guys the back. So the back still needs to be cleaned up a bit, but check it out. So we got all that painted as well. This here will be painted. I'm just waiting on my guys to come in and take care of that. But let's go inside. I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, so please excuse the mess. So we got all the sheetrock work done all around the house. The floors I actually decided to keep. So they're a little dirty now, but once you guys will see the finished product, you guys will like it. I need my guys to come in and sand it and get all of that stuff going. So if you remember, we had a double door here. I'll put a picture here so you guys can see it. So I had the guys convert it into a single door, and we lifted the subfloor here. So now it'll all kind of flow with the house itself. And now we have an official third bedroom. So before it was almost like a 2.5 bedroom. And then we finished out the closet here so they could have room there. And let me show you guys the kitchen. I think the kitchen came out great. So initially the house only had cabinets here. So we went ahead and did cabinets there with the nice big sink, nice countertops. But then on this side, we went ahead and did some cabinets as well. So now they have a pantry. They have an area for their stove, the microwave. So now it all kind of flows with it. And then you have the laundry room here. So the laundry room here is ready to go. Now the kitchen floors is tile. It'll kind of flow with the wood style floors that we're doing here. So you guys will see that. So we're still missing the backsplash, which the guys are working on right now. We put a brand new AC system. And in the bedrooms, we did all of the trim. Solid wood trim all the way around, windows, all the closets. I did case openings because if you guys remember, I'm going to be tearing down this house maybe in the next few years. Right now, it'll just be a rental, so I don't want to spend on doors or nothing crazy for now. We may sell it, actually. I had a neighbor come out and very interested, so I don't know. We're still up in the air. But then here's the other bedroom. Same thing here. We did the case opening in the closet. And then the restroom, if you guys remember, we basically redid this whole thing. This thing was hideous. So there's the restroom. We did a real big sink here so they can have good enough space and stuff. And then we redid the bathtub. That's a brand new tub. And all the tile all the way up. We kind of just matched the texture that it had. So it's gonna look a lot better for them. Nice size door. Actually, I'm looking at the door. I kind of don't like that it opens out. Let me see this. Well, I guess it's not bad. So yeah, there's the property. I'm thinking another 2 weeks, we should have this thing completed and ready to go. All right, guys, so here's a quick update on the property. We got the property painted. So, like I said, I normally will go with the white on white. So the property's painted, all the fixtures are in, light fixtures are here. You guys can see here as well. And then we got the light here, so we need to do a lot of touch-ups still. We usually will do one coat of paint just to kind of get it all covered up as much as we can, and then the guys will come in. And in the kitchen, we got the floors in, we got the tops in. My guy's gonna come in and put the faucets. We also need to get the microwave put in, the stove put in, and then here we'll have the water heater put in as well. They'll have washer and dryer area somewhere around here. So I came to the properties, guys, but we couldn't actually go inside because they're working on the floors. I don't know if you guys can see. So the floors are being stained. So we're back here at the remodel property, guys, but unfortunately we're supposed to clean today, but we had a pipe burst. So we had to run a brand new main pipe from the street into the house. So sucks, but we'll have the guys repair this, and then I will show you guys the final product once everything is done. All right, guys, so we are here at the remodel property, giving it one last look. We actually just went to market with it, but let me show you guys what the property looks like. All right, guys, so here is the completed product. As you guys can remember, we went ahead and pretty much redid the whole house. We sanded all the floors and did this beautiful dark wood finish to it. We redid a lot of the sheetrock, fixed and changed out all the fixtures, completed this bedroom that was sitting real low to the ground. So now they actually have a third bedroom. And we made this the closet for the bedroom. Kitchen that we did, guys, if you guys remember, this was the only part of the kitchen that was originally there. What we did is we kept the part here just because it looked good. I mean, it was already there. We weren't going to redo all of the plumbing or anything like that. And then we added this whole section here. There was a hole here which we closed out, and we used it for storage. So now they have a pantry, they have a microwave, they have their brand new stove, and they also have a pretty cool laundry room with everything pretty much brand new for them. And then we also, in the bedrooms pretty much all we did was change out all the doors, the baseboard, a lot of the sheetrock, the light fixtures. We redid the floors in here as well, so you guys can see that. And then we kept these two closets because originally this was the primary bedroom. So I like to use these metal posts here because I mean, I just feel like they look better and they last a lot longer. So I lease them, or I will sell the house. So either way you go, so it looks good for them. And then the restroom, I mean, this is a night and day change. So we did the brand new cabinet, countertops, mirror, all of the shower, we redid it. I don't know if you guys remember, it had some burglar bars, so I had that removed. I don't like where the toilet's at, just because it's behind the door, but I mean, it'll work. And then here's your third bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. That's the only downfall. I wish it had 2-bath, but we didn't, decide to go with the 2-bath. Brand new AC system. The only thing we didn't do to this house was the roof. Other than that, pretty much the whole house was redone. The roof was still good. If during inspections we find out something's wrong with the roof, then we'll get it stitched out. But other than that, I mean, I tried to limit my expenses. But let me know what you guys think of the outcome. I think it looks beautiful. I'll show you guys the outside here shortly. We haven't done the landscaping. Well, they did the landscaping, but we haven't actually cut the yard or anything like that, so we're trying to get that done. All right, guys, so there is a completed outside. You guys can see we went with the white and black theme to it. You guys can remember the brick was like a bluish color and different colors all over the house. So we were able to take care of it and salvage the brick and repair where it needed to be repaired. And we kept it just with a simple white and black theme to it. Definitely stands out in the neighborhood. You guys can see. So hopefully we get someone in here fast to buy this property or either lease the property. Either way will determine which route we go with it. But this is what the final product looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this project. I'll be making a couple other ones here soon. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, if you're interested in the property, please reach out to me. You're either leasing it or also for sale. We're happy to work with you. Again, feel free to schedule a call with me here, guys, and I will catch you guys on the next video.